Adams, Lugo, sound off.
Down here.
Ow!
You okay?
I said ow, didn't I?
We're fine.
Good. Back on your feet then. I want to know where we are.
I'd say we dropped into that hotel we were headed for.
Anyone see a way out of here?
Reloading. Got an exit down here. Shit. It's locked.
Somewhere trapped.
Like fish in a barrel.
We've got contact. Orders.
Hey! They're still alive!
Here they come. Head down, moving! Head down!
Target neutralized!
Keep dropping onto the stage! Jesus, these guys don't fucking quit!
Keep shooting! Tango on the skyline! Focus your fire!
Tango's coming over the rally! 12 o'clock! They're coming down the stairs! Downstairs! You see them? Keep your eyes on those stairs!
Hostiles on piano!
Keep trying to
Take
play
them down!
He's down!
Focus your fire! One down!
Frag out! He's down! Hostiles, left side! Ew! We got a movement! Hostile coming out of shit! These guys aren't letting up! Got one! They give up?
I don't think so. Listen,
Something's going on up there. They're dropping C4!
Adams, door, now!
Shit, Walker, this room's gonna blow! Fucking dug up!
I think we're clear.
All right, good. Let's keep moving. We need to find an exit.
Anyone else feel like we should try talking to these guys again? I mean, we did come here to save them.
Man, we are way past that point. These people don't want to talk, they're out for blood.
Lugo's right. Best we can do is get out of here and find the 33rd before these people tear him apart.
Okay, shoot first, questions later. Got it.
We find Conrad, he'll answer our questions.
You hear that?
Someone's coming.
Quick, hide.
Dropping C4? What were you thinking?
They were dug in, sir. We didn't have many options.
You're lucky this whole place didn't collapse. Where's the soldier? The one we took from the plane?
Downstairs, sir.
Is he being guarded?
At all times.
Good. Think I'll go say hi.
Agent custody him. Wait.
What?
He won't talk, sir.
He'll talk to me.
Walker, that guy was American.
Yeah, I noticed.
Why are the locals taking orders from an American? And why has he got a hard-on for the 33rd?
I have no idea. Shit. Ask him yourself.
They're still alive. Take care of them.
One down!
Up on the roof! Take out the roof!
Keep an eye on the roof! We got tangles up above!
They're dropping grenades! Fire in the hole!
Don't get too relaxed. We're not stopping. Every minute we waste could be the difference between a soldier going home alive or going home in a bag.
We got tracks leading to the elevator shaft.
Let's be careful, gentlemen. We're not alone.
Oh, smell that? Someone's definitely been living down here.
If you can call it that.
Yeah, I'd call it survival. Probably been this way since the first storms hit.
Life's hard. This is giving him a reason to start killing soldiers.
The American we saw upstairs gave him a reason.
Yeah, but why?
Wish I knew.
Got a light up ahead.
Go take a look.
You're the boss. Looks like some kind of encampment.
Come on, follow me. Everyone be cool. We got civilians down here.
Nice place.
You guys seeing this shit? Silk curtains, silverware, some nice crystal.
Christ. These soldiers were massacred.
Nah. Look how they're lined up. This was an execution.
Just like the Kabul death squads.
Shit.
Yeah. Shit.
Someone's here.
Follow me and stay quiet.
We're gonna keep at this until you tell me what I want to know. How many soldiers are stationed at the water depot?
Get your licks in while you can, Agent. 33rd's on their way here right now.
Damn can't save you. The 33rd lost their balls the day they went rogue.
Fuck you. Dubai would be at peace if you hadn't stirred up the locals. Got them killing soldiers again. Did you really think we weren't gonna fight back?
We hoped you would. The CIA doesn't start when it can't finish.
Well, now's the time to prove it. Because I'm not telling you shit.
No! What the hell?
Hold your fire!
Lower your weapon.
I look stupid to you?
No. That's why you're gonna point that pistol somewhere else.
Lower your weapon. I'll lower mine.
Not gonna happen.
You got a name?
McPherson, First Lieutenant. You?
Walker, Captain. We found your friend at the plane. He told us where to find you.
Really? Where's he at?
He didn't make it.
Why am I not surprised?
So what? You think we killed him?
I didn't say that.
You're not saying much of anything, Lieutenant.
Article 4, Captain. You gotta speak to my commander.
Well, where's he at?
By now, I'd imagine he's just downstairs.
Yeah, I'll bet.
Why don't you wait here? I'll go get him.
Check the body.
He wasn't lying. Tags the CIA.
Shit. That's just what we needed.
You let him go. Why?
Not about to shoot a U.S. soldier, Lugo. Plus, we can follow him back to the 33rd.
God damn. All this stuff is CIA.
This must have been their safe house.
Hiding behind civilians? Not the manliest of tactics.
That's normal for the CIA.
Yeah, but killing U.S. soldiers isn't.
Look, I don't know their names, but they're CIA. Who else could they be? You know our orders. There they are!
We've got bogeys! Return fire! Oh, shit! Adams is down!
Threat eliminated!
Shit, man! We're taking some heavy fire here! He's exposed! Take him down!
Those were soldiers.
Reloading.
Our own guys.
It was self-defense.
Doesn't make me feel any better.
It's not supposed to.
Y'all stand back. We got daylight up ahead.
That's our exit. Follow it.
Get back here! Stop running! This is for your own good!
What? The 33rd's chasing down civilians.
Attack!
Shit! Return fire!
They're soldiers!
They will kill us if we go! Now open fire!
There! CIA! Take them all down!
Cease fire!
God damn it, we are not CIA!
We're done for! We're here to help!
Do the words friendly fucking fire mean anything to you? Jesus Christ! We're not CIA!
Target's getting antsy!
Patch him up!
Affirmative! I'll get him back up! We need to take cover!
Watch my back, asshole! That's a no-go!
Heading out! Watch it! Shotgunner coming in! He's coming out of cover!
Reloading! Cover me!
On the head! Down, over here! Destroy that Tango!
Damn it! They got arrows!
Help him!
Will do! On my way! Get down! Bet you are happy to see me! On the move!
All right. We need to keep moving before more soldiers show up.
You mean more American soldiers?
Rogue soldiers. It's clear the 33rd is no longer acting as part of the U.S. Army.
So what do we do?
Well, if we're gonna sort this out, we need to find John Conrad.
How's that help? You just said the 33rd were rogue.
Conrad wouldn't abandon his duty. The 33rd may be hostile, but I guarantee the colonel isn't part of it.
How can you be sure?
Because I know the man. Now get that open.
Not a problem.
Reloading.
We got a situation.
33rd's rounding up civilians. Why?
Shit!
We're gonna kill them all.
Can't let that happen, Walker.
We're not going to.
And let's hurry up and get down there. Follow me.